Hey, it's Sam here. Welcome to the demo of AnimatedFlat 2.0. This is a huge resource package of flat icons and graphics that you can use in your marketing, either in your videos, on web page designs, or whatever you see fit, say ads and things like that. Now, this is a good example of it on my screen right here, and you will see this on their sales page when you get through to it when it goes live. Okay, so the Google Chrome Safari logo, a few years ago, 3D, got all the gloss, got all the fruit, got all the bells and whistles. Nowadays they are very flat and very, very simple. Okay, if we go down to how your iPhone looks now, notice how all this is 3D, real examples of what those sorts of things look like. On the right is the current version, very flat, very colorful, very basic, and the reason behind that is because it gets attention. Now if I just go down to the bottom of my screen here and I bring up everything that's open, you'll see the Spotify logo is flat, the iTunes logo is a flat gradient logo, Photoshop, when it comes to all the Adobe Cloud and even the Microsoft ones, are flat style icons, even though they look a bit 3D. Now, this is a design trend, and the reason why this is popular is because it works. Okay, it allows you to be able to create more professional looking UIs, more professional looking websites, and more professional looking videos when you use this. It's just keeping up with the times. However, with this sort of stuff, it does lack being able to encourage you to take action. Okay, you can't tell if this is clickable or not because it's not 3D or animated, and you know, it's hard when your whole site is like that to be able to stand out from the rest. That's where AnimatedFlat comes in. It is a resource of it's a resource of these sorts of icons that are animated or 3D, so they look clickable, so they encourage you to take action. They do different things that you can use. So if I go over into the dashboard over here, you can see examples of everything that is included. So we've got adventures, so different color things happening on here. We've got arrows, avatars, backgrounds, beauty and cosmetics, badges as well, business icons, buildings, we're down into the C's, clothing, corporate. So as you can tell, there's a huge resource available for you to be able to use. Now these can be used in your graphic designs, they can be used on your website to be able to stand out, to be able to get attention towards a particular part of your site, or even just to stand out from the rest of the crowd if you do want to go over the top and use it all throughout your designs. Totally up to you. However, even just getting flat icons that aren't animated can be quite expensive. These are all available for a one-off cost during the launch period only. So I encourage you to check it out in detail down below on the bonus page for more information. This is Sam. My pleasure to give you an overview of what AnimatedFlat 2.0 is all about.